Hello! Today we are going to make an experiment where the usual candle will burn underwater. For this experiment we need a normal candle, a capacity where will happen and water of course. At first you need to cut off the candle in the way that her height won't exceed the height of the capacity where it will be. Then you need to set fire the candle, drip the wax on the bottom of our piece of plate, blow up and fix it. Now you need to fill up the capacitance with water. The water must be a bit lower than the end of the candle. Now we can to fire up the candle. It's amazing, but the flame of the candle is burning under the level of water. It happens because the cold water doesn't let to melt to the walls of the candle. Similar experiments you can do with a balloon which is full of water, and balloon's walls won't be burned too. So, the candle stood, and let's measure on what depth did the candle burn out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you want not to miss my new and exciting videos.